Hey, what's up and welcome back to ByStephieNics. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday natural makeup routine perfect for summer. It's super simple and minimal, really easy to achieve, and it's going to give you the most gorgeous, glowy, and dewy results. I hope you're excited to learn how to achieve this look because we are getting started right now. The makeup that we're going to be using for this look is almost exclusively from the brand Merit. Merit is a new, really cool minimalist beauty brand. All their products are vegan, cruelty-free, and clean. They're sold at Sephora and they've got that clean at Sephora stamp of approval, so you know that this is going to be great for sensitive skin or really just anyone looking for more natural products. They sent me their collection and it came in this adorable reusable makeup bag. I have been loving all their products recently and I'm so excited to show you guys it. We're going to start off the look with this product right here called the Minimalist. It's kind of like a foundation and concealer in one. It's really like such an incredible product. I use it without priming before or setting after, yet it does not smudge or move or melt throughout the day. I'm using Merit's brush number 1 to apply the Minimalist, and it just blends in so seamlessly. You don't see it sitting on top of your skin, which I hate. It really gives you a your skin with better result, which is what I'm always looking for. Shade matching online was actually really easy because they show the undertones, so that helps guide you in the right direction. It's really buildable too, so you can go back and add more in any areas that you need a little more coverage. There's our base completed, super simple, just everything is evened out, looks nice and glowy and fresh. On to the blush. Next up, we've got the Merit Flush Bomb Cheek Color in the shade Beverly Hills. It's a cream tint that easily blends right into your skin. You can blend it with your fingers, couldn't be easier. And it gives you such a beautiful yet natural pop of color. Looks like you just got a little bit of sun. Here's the result. It's really natural and fresh looking. Makes me question why I've been using powder blush for all these years. I love it. Big fan of the Flush Bomb. Now, one product that isn't from Merit is my little freckle pen. It's not actually a freckle pen. It's a brow tint pen from Milani, but I use it to draw on my fake freckles. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I draw on fake freckles year round, but it is the perfect little add-on for summer, so we can't skip that in this everyday and natural summer look. I just lightly dot some freckles on my nose, across my cheeks, and just a little bit on my forehead. Now these freckles do need to be set down or they will fade probably within an hour or two, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder to set that down lightly. There we go, freckles are set, but the rest of the face is still nice and dewy, so got the best of both worlds. Next, moving on to brows, we've got the Brow 1980 Volumizing Pomade from Merit. I absolutely love this super luxurious packaging. The consistency isn't thick, it's really easy to apply, and it gives you a nice, filled in, yet still natural result. And it sets down really well. You're not gonna have to worry about any like smudging or transferring. And here we go, we've got the final brows. I've already got bold brows to start with, so I really appreciate Merit's just light and natural touch. I mean, their slogan is less is more, and they're living up to it. Our second to last product is mascara. This is the Merit Clean Lash in the color Perfect Black. And let me start off by saying this is the perfect black. It's just so deep and rich. I love the color. It is a volumizing and lengthening mascara. It's not waterproof, but you're not gonna get smudges with it. It's got a really long brush that's gonna help you do your lashes quicker. With just one coat, my lashes look so soft and pretty. Really, really natural result. It's the perfect everyday mascara. Simple, easy, and cute. Name the game. And for our final product, we've got Merit's Shade Slick. This is a tinted lip oil, and it might be one of my favorite products of the whole bunch. I've got it in the color Pink Beet, and it is just, it's such a unique product. Like I said, it is a lip oil, so it's gonna be super hydrating and moisturizing, but it actually has surprisingly good color payoff and staying power. It glides on super easily. You don't need a lip balm underneath. And look at that color. Is this not gorgeous? I mean, that shine and that color. The color honestly reminds me of, you know, when you eat like a popsicle or cherries and your lips get like a natural color and you're like, ooh, I wish I could get a lipstick in that color. This is that. And I can't stop like putting my lips together. It feels just, it's so smooth and healthy. It feels great. Now we can tie back up the makeup bag because we are done. That completes my summery, everyday, natural makeup routine. If you're inspired to get a fresh, glowy look like this, you've got to pick up some Merit products. I'll have a direct link to their website and to all their product listings at Sephora so that you can easily shop the look that we did today. I'd love to hear your thoughts about the look or any other clean makeup brands that you're a fan of. Let me know down in the comments. And while you're down there, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it, which I hope you did. And if you'd like to stick around and join ByStephieNics fam, we have fun here and we would love to have you. All you gotta do is just click the big red subscribe button down below And right next to it, just ring that notification bell to get notifications sent straight to your phone every time I post a new video. It is the place to be, so join that notification club. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for watching today. I really, really appreciate it. And as always, this was ByStephieNics.